Hi, to, Hi. Today we're going to teach you on how to fix if the WASD key and the arrow keys has swapped places. What the what it means is that WASD functions as arrow keys and vice versa. Arrow keys functions as WASD. For example, if I press the arrow key or the arrow up key, it will function as the W key, and so on and so forth. The first thing that we need to do is to simply hold FN on our keyboard. The first thing that we need to do is to simply press on FN on our keyboard and to press the keys that needs to be fixed. Let's say that I'm currently holding FN now on my keyboard. Now I'm going to press W, then A, and S, then D. Next is I'm continuing to hold on FN key, and I will now press the up arrow key, the low arrow key, the left arrow key, and the right arrow key. And let's see if it works as default or it is now fixed. Okay, we're going to use Notepad for us to test it on. WASD. And as you can see here, it functions the left arrow key, right arrow key, and the down arrow key works as normal. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.